Yakni kejaka oddo ke pelabu ban sedang train nadu usnam arja khatar katkum ke retender notice ke belamang ban pendap hapo asnam ha ke jindot ke balong nyokulur sifolak tingka kene gedai ke bala ais ngoma da kasinong demtring har jaka ke bahe hadu saw ke public account committee hapo ke jingelam uba hoping stone dingdo chairman ke PEC upol dingdo uba RV dingdo bat uba PNCM haka jingyar jurep ya kate jaka oddo akas ngi baar jong kateyo baladem kalalap ba ke company chenai abetor ke ba pentre ya kate ke ying oddo kampala satia ban sedang ya ke jingtrei wat hadien bakla dep sim ya ke PISA ke blakot KLUR Prafwe lak sipo hajar nado ukhat khandai terik jong ubanayu no opera jong usnam arja khatar kum ke advance naga benda ban pentre ya ke jaka oddo ka PEC kelalap ba kate ke company kala pinyan tang gawe kesem bat ban pinbiang ya uwe transformer ban pinpoi boarding syak te ke jaka hakte ke jungjurep ka PEC laidon lang ki officer jong katnat animal husbandry and veterinary nado ke joint director animal husbandry and veterinary ka Dr. W Papang u joint director animal husbandry and veterinary u Dr. B Rizal u executive engineer ka animal husbandry and veterinary u ba Kimolong bat kiwe kumjuru u project engineer ka Rapsang group u ba Shanbola lalu ubami khmat ya ka chenai abetor nakalian ka PEC kalapan jing pencai halo ka jingbom sedang ka jingtrei na project engineer uni engineer simala satia ban aya ka jubab ka ban penhun ya ka PEC nalor kata wan neki officer ka directorate of animal husbandry and veterinary jong ka sarkar jilla kimla satia ban aya ka jubab ka babiang halor ka jing pentrei ya ka te ka project wat adien ka te ka company kalayo ya PISA kum ka advance ka PEC kala keno ba kani ka jing sateng jong ka kam kadina ka jingbom simkia ka directorate of animal husbandry ka sarkar jilla banpet ya ka jing pentrei kam ya kani project kumban chiyo thu ba ya ka te ka jaka oddo ka belamang bansna labai PISA da ka nabat kumba khandai pesan kum karam bat ka sarkar jilla ka hab ban pendap tang 100%.
Is a mobilization advance of 1,81 lakhs has been paid to the firm, and out of this mobilization fund of 1.81 crore, so we can see structure of about worth 4.5 lakhs, right? In the course of 2 years. The course of 2 years, and then the time for completion is 1 year. And from the date of issue work order till date, it's about 2.5 years, right?
The DPR was prepared on some preliminary drawings, sir. But then before we start the work, we have to do some detailed survey, like that we have carried out.
That means when you prepared the DPR, you've never seen the site?
No, we have come to the site.
How can you give that statement?
We have come to the site.
We have come to the site, then according to your inspection, accordingly you prepared the DPR? Now you're giving us an explanation that, sir, because you know the topography of the land, how is that acceptable to us? It's not acceptable.